What is up? Sur Ron X here, outside Bike Craze in Anaheim, California, standing next to what you should expect if you buy a new Sur Ron X in 2022. Let's see what's new for 2022.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one.
So the first thing I noticed that's new for 2022 is the front fork. This is actually a Fast Ace front fork with yellow Sur Ron decals on it. This fork appears to be a little more robust than the RST that they used to come with, and it's a little more similar to what you'd see on a Stealth Bomber. One thing to note is that every batch is a little bit different. Not every new Sur Ron in 2022 is necessarily going to look exactly like this. I had a friend buy a bike just the other day, and it came with a red rear spring and D&M front forks. So this is just sort of an idea of some of the new features that some of the bikes are coming with and what to look out for. So we've got the new robust Fast Ace front suspension with the Sur Ron decals. And staying on the front end, we'll actually see new brakes. This is pretty common on all the newer models, and I'm actually a huge fan of these brakes. I gotta say, I'm not a huge fan of the color, although it does kind of match the motor cover a little bit. The brakes are great, and they are very much new from the older models. Moving back a little bit, we'll see we still got these nice new metal Sur Ron decals, and we've got a Fast Ace rear shock here. Like I said, some of the bikes might come with a red rear spring. This one came with the black. Still back here looking at the seat. This is a new seat design. I'm a huge fan of it. Nice little Sur Ron graphic there etched into the material. In the rear, we've got the new brakes again. They're Sur Ron branded. It's not clear exactly what brand these are, but they are definitely different from the previous 4-piston hydraulic brakes you would have seen on previous models of the Sur Ron X. Besides that, we're looking at the same pegs, same grips, same bars, same front and rear mud guards, chain guard. Still running the Sinewave X controller. 19-inch wheels, aluminum frame. It's the same Sur Ron we all know and love with a couple different changes to it. I think that's enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and take it out on the road. Let's check it out. So, unfortunately, I was specifically instructed not to wheelie this bike because it's so new. I totally respect that, so I'm not going to do any wheelies. Fortunately, this bike does have the limiter cut. Start in eco. So Sur Rons nowadays, they come limited out of the box at like 20 or 30 miles an hour, which actually makes them street legal, which is awesome. And then all you need to do is cut a wire and it makes it go much faster. So this one's got the wire cut. Still in eco mode. First impression, this thing is quiet and it's incredibly smooth. Every time newer models come out, Sur Ron improves that. It gets a little quieter, a little smoother. This is full throttle in eco. It says I'm going 30 miles an hour. Alright, now we're in sport. Clicking it into sport, I feel the regenerative braking kick in. Now I'm full throttle in sport, picking up. So smooth. This thing rides really, really well. Let's do a quick top speed. Oh, the brakes. The brakes are the highlight right now. Wow. Alright, full throttle in sport mode. Let's see what we can hit. 43. 44. Alright, 44. This bike's not fully charged. It's at 80%, so 44 is actually exactly what I would have expected. These bikes will only hit 50 on a full charge and a slight decline. You could probably hit 50, but 45 is really like what you should expect. Let's try these brakes again. Oh, those are nice brakes. I'm a fan. I really want to use them to wheelie, but I'm going to respect my orders. Oh, it feels great. Suspension is so cushy, but not bouncy. That's important. It's got nice damping to it. Feels great. Let's hit some grass. Yeah. Oh, these bikes are so fun. Oh, what a wheelie, it's so bad. I can tell you right now though, I know this would wheelie well. This is just a well-built bike. I mean, you'll have a damn hard time finding an e-bike with this kind of performance and reliability for this price. You'll have a damn hard time. If you are interested in picking one of these up, you can scoop one at Bike Craze. You can Instagram message me or shoot me an email, and I can set up an appointment for you. It's local pickup only here in Anaheim. Man. Oh, I could just be out here all day. And the brakes, oh my, the brakes, they're everything. Honestly, the stock Sur Ron comes with good brakes. Most people, they'll end up switching out the pads for Shimano's. And you might end up wanting to do that on these too, although they're different brakes. I don't know if the Shimano HC03s will necessarily fit, but as of now I do not see the need. Oh, it just locks the wheel like nothing. These brakes are really, got good pressure. This is right out of the box too. Four pistons, I believe. Yeah, 4-piston hydros. Bike's clean. They all come in the black edition now. If you wanted a colored one, you're a couple years late. You got the headlight, still no headlight switch. So Sur Ron, if you're watching this video, please add a little switch right above the horn. Add a little switch for the headlight. I think everybody would appreciate that. I'm gonna hit a little jump here. Oh. Oh, I need to go back so I don't do a wheelie. This is a little too tempting. Spike's total beast on the street. Throw some Supermoto wheels on here, some dual sport wheels, and you've got yourself a commuting monster. Lane split all day. Charge at home, you always got a full battery. So I'm just gonna head back to the shop now so I don't get carried away and do a wheelie. I gotta say, first impressions with the newer model that you can expect in 2022 is smooth, powerful, fast. Suspension has definitely been upgraded. I love this front suspension. It's more robust than the RST that it usually comes with. Excuse me, the DNM used to come with the RST. You don't really see that anymore. So in 2022, you should expect either Fast Ace or RST suspension. I think they're both great shocks. And they're both sort of the same design in terms of the oh shit. This isn't Bike Craze, I'm lost. Oh, there it is. Let's take a little look into Bike Craze real quick. Looking good in here. Bringing the bike back in one piece.
He has that one bike built. If you want to take the 4 bikes out, you just do
I would totally do that. I have a class at 1, so I have to head back, unfortunately. But I very much want to come back and film those bikes if they're still here. I'm doing a quick walkthrough right now. I got some great bikes out here. Got the Cab Eagle, got the Delfast. This does 200 miles range, 200 miles. Stealth P7. Got some custom e-bikes in here. Got the tricycles, cargo bikes, everything you can imagine, including some new Sur Rons. Go ahead, check out Bike Craze. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Yeah.